Tay nga rin sa kutay. Kung po na gasolina eh.
Hello everyone, this is your boy J Kamara, and today I am going to be bringing you with me to Balangiga, Eastern Samar. This will be our ride right here, coming from Inupacan, Leyte, going up to Baybay City. Then dito nag-aantay yung ibang mga kasama ko, and then going to Abuyog, to MacArthur, to Mayorga, to Dulag, Tolosa, Tanawan, Palu, Tacloban, Basay, Marabot, Lawaan, and then Balangiga. Approximately, Balangiga or Inupacan to Balangiga is around 222 kilometers. So, nga 4 hours na travel time. Medyo madilim pa kasi more or less 5 AM. So we'll just continue talking about our ride after na medyo maliwanag na. Okay? Mostly kasama ko is from Sniper Owners United of Leyte, but may isa kaming kasama from Hilongos, Leyte, si Mark, Honda Beat user. We're currently traversing the mountainous twisties of Baybay to Mahaplagi Road. So, makikita nyo, medyo madilim pa, pero twisties ang mataramihan dito. Maraming banking. Just to be safe, medyo slow down lang yung pace namin. Ang ganda ng sunrise. This is one of the perks of having to ride early in the morning. Malamig, kikita mo yung paglitaw ng araw na magandang-maganda. Yung lugar na pupuntahan natin is Balangiga, Eastern Samar, which is the place or the home of Balangiga Bells. Yung Balangiga Bells is binalik ng mga Amerikano last year, 2018, after 117 years. Those bells were considered war booties or war trophies after nila magiganti sa mga locals ng Balangiga dahil sa ambush na ginawa ng mga Pinoy. Ang naging rason ng ambush na yun is yung pagiging pangsamantala ng mga Amerikano during that time. So, 48 soldiers were killed, and then as a revenge, pinatay ng mga Kano yung 10 years and above na mga lalaking Pinoy. Yung war trophy nila is yung Balangiga Bells. We're currently here in Abuyog, and as you can see right there, ang ganda ng sunrise, diba? Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. So hopefully, it will be a very nice weather the rest of our ride. So nakikita nyo namang maganda yung daan, so medyo mapapabilis yung takbo natin.
Saka video ka po nga. Magbabay-babay na lang ito chicks kaya para malingaw to.
kami sa Tacloban City and it's around 8 a.m. more or less. And we are headed to San Juanico Bridge or the Bridge of Love connecting the island of Samar and Leyte. So we're already here in the island of Samar right now, and so far for the first couple of kilometers medyo mahirap yung daan kasi maraming sira saka lupak-lupak. So we'll take it slow from here. Pag medyo gumanda na yung daan, we'll just speed up our pace. Usually pag ganito kasi yung daan, kailangan natin mag-ingat kasi mahirap na, lalo na di natin masyadong kabisado yung daan. So far medyo maganda yung daan. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na to para di naman masyadong mahirap ang biyahe namin. Tsaka di masyadong tagtag yung mga motor namin sa lupak-lupak na daan. Nakikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko? Well, basically, kung nakikita nyo yung nakikita ko, medyo mahirap ito para sa ating mga riders kasi dito sa gilid ng daan may nagbibilad ng palay. Maliit na nga yung daan, 2 lanes lang, mas lalo pang kinaliit, medyo mahirap. So, this is one thing na you have to consider when you are going to Balangiga. May mga parte tayong makikita na ganito. So as you can see right now, medyo mabilis na yung takbo namin kasi medyo maganda na yung daan. So I think malapit na kami sa Balangiga. So medyo less of talk, more of ride itong motovlog na to. So my friend right here is signaling nandito na kami sa Balangiga. Finally, after how many hours of riding and some pit stops kasi kailangan makapag-shoot ng drone, nandito na kami. So finally, Balangiga.
Touchdown! Safe and sound!
So yung nasa likod namin are the Balangiga bells. Ito yung kinuha ng Amerikano way back 1901 as war trophies. So I guess I have to end this motovlog right here. Before ending this episode, I have to leave you with this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. If you want to know a piece of history, please visit Balangiga, Eastern Samar. Bro, shout out nga pala sa Mayo Nation Tacloban chapter, Team Alay, maraming salamat. So that's about it. This is your boy J Cat Motos saying you bye bye.